Yo, what's up guys? Milo from Station 8 Garage with a little tech tip for you. So if you guys have these old school headlight switches here, you'll know that, to adjust your brightness on your gauges here for your backlighting, you turn this dial on the headlight switch, right? And then if you turn it all the way clockwise, I should say counterclockwise, you get a little click, and that's what turns the dome light on. What happens with these things over time is the contacts get dirty, and if any of you are familiar with old school points and condensers, the way these work is just the same. It's basically a big coil of wire. It's a winding in this ceramic casing, and then there's a contact that rubs up against it as you turn a dial. So as you turn it, you're giving it more or less resistance, which basically makes the light brighter or dimmer. A lot of times what happens is over time, a lot of dirt and oxidation gets in there, a lot of crud, and it'll stop working, or the lights will be jumpy, or they'll go out. The lights in your gauges will flicker on and off, or they'll go out because it's not making contact. So just like you would clean an old set of points and condensers with a nail file, same thing. Grab your sandpaper or nail file, and you're going to just I'm going to see if I can get in there as close as I can to show you, okay? But you're going to get it and wedge it right in there. Let me see if I can get the light a little better in there. You're going to get it right in there, and just go back and forth, and I'll see if I can show you here real quickly how that works. So this way you can fix your lights. So you're going to just take it, wedge it right in there between the contact, just go back and forth a little bit, and that's going to clean that wiper brush right there on the top, the wiper contact that goes on the coil wire. When you're done, blow it out, hit it with a little contact cleaner, electric contact cleaner, to get any of the other excess debris off, and then you'll be good to go. So now when he turns his dial, I'll show you, it's nice and smooth, okay? So all the way on, all the way dim, to finally off, and then all the way up, and then when you get to the end, they turn off because then it turns the dome light on. So that's normal. But that's full brightness there, and then you can see it dims nice and smoothly, just like it should from the factory. So that's your tech tip for the day, guys. Peace.